In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to withdraw funds from Olymp Trade. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Olymp Trade website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. And if you already haven't opened an account, you can sign up. Once logged in, navigate to the payment section. Look for the withdrawal. You can usually find this in the main menu or sidebar on your account dashboard. Click in the withdrawal button to proceed with the withdrawal process. In there, enter the amount of funds you wish to withdraw from your Olymp Trade account. My account is new and I haven't deposited anything to it, so I can't do it, but once you have money on your Olymp Trade account, you can do it from here. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Next, confirm that amount you've entered is correct before proceeding. Olymp Trade offers various withdrawal methods, including bank transfers and e-wallets. Depending on your preferences and availability, select the withdrawal method that suits you best. If you choose the internet banking, the withdrawal will be sent directly to your bank account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.